What's up? Welcome to episode 3 of Alex Eats, where today we're going to make pizza. I hope everyone is chilling during quarantine. First, got to wash your hands. You know the drill, 20 seconds under hot water with soap. Remember, safety is always first here at Alex Eats. Alright, here are the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna begin by making the dough. You'll need 2.5 cups of flour. Any kind works. I did 2 all-purpose and then also 0.5 soy protein powder. Make sure you get a big enough bowl. As you can see, I didn't. Also, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Oops, I was too lazy to measure. And 1 tablespoon of yeast. Yeah, that might be a bit too much from this random recipe I found on the internet. Alright, now in a separate bowl, you need 1 cup of warm water so the yeast will activate. You can microwave it like I did there. And then add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah, look at that, water and oil don't mix, that's cool. Alright, and now combine everything and start mixing. Now you'll want a pan to bake the pizza on. Start by dusting some flour on, and then transfer the dough. And now start kneading. Add more flour as necessary. Alright, when you're done, put it back in the bowl and let it rise. Cover with a wrap so the fungi can do their job. Okay, we're back. I forgot to count how long the dough takes to rise, so just guesstimate. Let's start with some cornmeal to prevent sticking, and we're gonna roll out the dough into this pan and use more flour as necessary. And dust with some more cornmeal as necessary to prevent sticking in the baking process. Now we're ready for the sauce. Oh yeah, that looks nasty. And smooth out the sauce. Man, I wish I was as cool as a Costco sauce robot. Now gotta add the seasonings, salt, garlic powder, and pepper. This is what really gives pizza its kick. Oops, I added ketchup too. Please don't judge me. Now we're gonna shred the cheese. Wow, look, I can't use a cheese shredder. I dislike shredding cheese. It's a very labor-intensive process. And boom, you got a nice cheese pizza. Feel free to add other stuff like pineapples or sardines if you like. Now we're going to transfer it to the oven. It was preheated to 477.594 degrees Kelvin and bake for 20 minutes. And oh yeah, here we have a delicious semi-burnt cheese pizza. Truly a masterpiece for my first try. Now I would tell you it tastes delicious, but then I would be lying to you. So let's leave it at that. All in all, this is a very easy made-from-scratch pizza recipe. I hope you will try it out, as well as watch the other Alex Eats episodes. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and also like, comment, and share this with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.